All right, guys, what we're going to do here, if this works out, this is going to be one of the best hacks, okay, of the 2020 holiday season. All right. Now, I have a photograph. If I had a photograph of you, something to my name. Now, I'm shocked that you can even do this hack, okay, at Ace Hardware. All right. All right, so I guess you got to click this first. All right, so if this again, I'm surprised that again you can even do it. So all these places do it, guys. That's part of the promotion. Um, it kind of just shows you the profit margin of some of this stuff, most likely. Um, all right. All right, so we're putting it together. You got to stay with me, guys. You got to stay with me, or we're going to have issues, and we don't really want that, okay? So just stick here, relax. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. This is going to be probably pretty good. If we can get her. All right. All right, now, we know about the hack at Home Depot, right? It works with the milk crate. Um, oh, see, I can't add it to the cart. Let me try a different zip code here. Man, look at all these Ace Hardwares, man. All right, I want this one. What is the problem? All right, good. I set it, and forget it. All right, let's see. Well, this dude who sent me the picture bought like 3 of them, so I'm not surprised. Wow. We're just going to have to wait for it to come back. People must have. So you get this dolly for free, guys, right? Buy 3 select Packout items, get a free dolly. Okay? Maybe it's actually in my cart already because I bought all 3 items. Okay, so I didn't have to do anything. All right, we're good. All right, so all in all, guys. All right, now what is the total of this? All right, so $199. All right. So alone, guys, this is a really good deal. All right. It's not the milk crate, um, pack out. Now, I think that's definitely a better system, but I think obviously with the small pack out box, there's more value to the old fashioned, this particular pack out 3-piece set. All right. So for $199, guys, again, $279, really 11 months added, well, 10 months out of the year. So to get the dolly for free and still pay $199, they really set Ace Hardware up big time. This is probably one of the cheapest pack out system deals that I've honestly have ever seen. Okay? For just the amount of what you're getting. All right. I had a feeling that maybe, all right, they're going to give you a free dolly, but it's going to be $279. And that in itself would not really be a bad deal. Right. But check this out. We're not even like, relax. All right, relax. All right, I gotta see how to. All right, we're gonna remove that box. We're gonna keep the dolly in. We're gonna remove the rolling box. Okay, so for $60, okay, for $60, okay, you will receive. Oh, they fixed it. They fixed it, guys. All right. So it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter. But guys, for $199, I still think this is a great deal. All right, to get the dolly, and that three-piece pack out kit. So this is really not a hack. I mean, I was gonna call this a hack. Now, I got a picture. All right, so he sent this yesterday, and I guess they obviously have fixed it. Unfortunately, I didn't get to it. But for $60, okay. Now remember, actually, wait. I think we're still alive here. All right, I see what he did. I see what he did. So he bought three, because remember, you can buy any 3 boxes you want. Let me see. See, small box and a dolly for $50. Yeah, it doesn't stay in the cart. Now, what I showed you was the picture here. Okay, so he obviously bought 3 he has here, which it doesn't matter. Any 3 boxes you buy, okay, you're going to get the free dolly, okay? But he said if you remove 2, the dolly still stays. Yeah, minus 269. So he paid $180, it looks like, for 3 pack out boxes and 3 dollies. Okay? Yep. Yeah. So he's right. So they obviously did fix this. Unfortunately. Because as you can see, it's $60. But I don't have the dolly anymore. Yeah, and it won't let me add it to the cart because that's part of the promo. I mean, what's good about it? I mean, you can look at it this way too. It said any 3 pack out boxes. Right? So maybe you want some low profile. You know what? Let's get another one of them. No, it didn't work. Buy 3 select. Yeah, because I put 3 of these, 2 of these. That should be 3. Yeah, so this was really a monster deal, guys. Again, I think to get the 3-piece, pack out kit and still get that dolly, pretty much for free for $199. Again, a lot of you guys have that. The patented 3-piece pack out system from the past 3 or 4 years. They've been doing it for the holidays, right? So You know, it would have been great. Now, it's still, I know I'm taking time here, but say you want maybe some other boxes. All right. Maybe you do want the milk crate. All right. You're going to pay, I think the milk crate at Depot is what? $39.99 normally. Now we know we can hack it. Okay. But um, $2 more regular price. All right. And here's the compact. And this is pretty much the same price at the Depot. All right. And you can make this cheaper. Well, let me just see if this works, because you might be able to get. I'm trying to make it. Again, what's good? What is going on here? All right. Let's see if this worked. No. So it has to be those 3 boxes, it looks like. Now I can probably, obviously, read this. I mean, you could buy 3 of these boxes. Yeah, I don't know what the problem is here, folks. Because this is coming under that. So 206874. All right. So there's 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can probably tell you what boxes those are. It's probably, this is probably one of them. This is probably the other one. So what I'm going to do. So yeah, yesterday, man, for you would have got the free dolly. Obviously, they probably canceled that gentleman's order. Ace, they're not like Home Depot that are going to honor anything that's in there. If there's a mistake, I don't know. I don't know. To be honest with you, I haven't talked to the guy. All right, so my dolly should be here now, right? Yes. All right, and what is the grand total? 292. I mean, still, that's not bad. All right, so you get the dolly. You got the small pack out box. You got the insert pack out box. You got the um, compact pack out box. You got the milk crate. And you got the large. So you're getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6-piece pack out kit. All right. For $292. All right. Now I'm going to take off this one first. All right. Now I should still have the dolly. Yes, I do. All right. And now we brought this down. Why is it the same price? Wow. So there's something like going on with this hack here. Wait, they might have just refreshed it now. Yeah, all right. So $232. All right? So, you got your dolly. You put your large pack out box on her. All right? On your dolly. Cuz you don't need that rolling box anymore. You got wheels, baby. All right? Then you put your foam insert Then you put maybe, actually you put this one on, then you put your foam insert, and then you got your nice crate on top. All for $232. Not bad. Now we can take that crate off as well. Now this should bring it to around 89 or something. I gotta refresh. All right, so I apologize for all the time this video took, but I wanted to see if that dolly would stay like he had in his picture. So $179. All right. Now, obviously, if you get the rolling Packout box, you're going to have wheels on it. That's why it's called the rolling Packout box. So that deal is probably the best deal because you're paying $20 more. I mean, obviously, if you have other boxes, you can use the dolly for that. Yeah, because once I delete this, you know what? Let me delete this box. Oh, wait a minute. We're playing hardball. The dolly's still in here. All right, so you have to really mess around with this. I'm sorry it took so long. All right, so for $119, okay? $119. You're going to get the dolly. You're going to get the insert. Well, no, this is the impact small box. All right. And you're going to get the insert box. Okay. For $119. Okay. So for less than the Milwaukee rolling Packout box. All right. That's $129. This is $119. Now I'm going to attempt to delete. Let me see if I can delete this one. Yeah, see, I lost it. But you don't have to buy 3. Because I just had 2 in my cart, and it still stayed. So what we're going to do, let's add that back to the cart. Not this one. This one right here. Okay, let's add it to the cart. View cart and check out. All right, so we got the foam insert box. Where's my impact box? It totally wiped out my whole thing here. I don't know what's going on here. It says I have 2 items in my cart. And it's $139. So there's some type of bug with this app here. Yeah. Because he said that I had to put them all in first and remove them. I don't. Oh, I have 2 of these. I'm a dope. I apologize. I wanted to put the impact one in. All right, let's start from scratch here. All right. Add to the cart. All right, so you do not, again, I repeat, you do not have to buy 3 to get the dolly. Now, again, it might not show up now. Yeah, see? So you got to make sure that you put 3 in first, okay? And then you can kind of delete them, all right? So let's put this back in. All right. Now my cart should have that dolly. Yep. The dolly's in the house. 179. Let me take away the insert box. So I know a lot of you guys don't like that box. All right, so we got the small impact box. Okay. We got the large impact pack out box. And we still got the dolly. Okay. $110. So remember, guys, the dolly alone is $89. Gee. So this is probably your best setup. Even though, again, I wanted to show you the hack that he had. Play around with it, guys. Maybe you can get it to work. But for $110, guys, this is still a fantastic deal. And I still think for $199, all right, to get the small impact box, the large impact box, the rolling impact box, and the dolly for $199 is a killer. I know a lot of you guys have the rolling pack out box. So, and this is the way to do it, because obviously if you're getting the dolly, you don't need the rolling pack out box. You know, you have wheels. So like this particular setup, all right, you got your dolly, you put your large impact box on it, and then you got your small for $110. Now, again, if you want to add the $28 crate from Home Depot, right? I mean, you're looking at a $138 system here. And remember, the dolly makes it $360. Remember, the rolling pack out box, you know, it's got wheels and you can kind of obviously make it three. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. And you can lock this into place. It's just another pack out deal that you guys can, you know, might be able to use, or if you've wanted. Again, I'll try to delete something here. I'm pretty sure. So you don't have to use 3. It looks like. Yep, I lost it, guys. So that's going to be the best that at least I can do. All right. Again, I showed you the picture. He was able to get, you know, 3 large boxes and 3 dollies for $180. Not that many of you need to do that, but I still think that's a good deal for $110. But it's out there. I hope you guys made it through this video. We'll catch you. Flip.